Hello and welcome to my tutorial for creating a bootable USB from Windows. We will be using an app called Ventoy in order to create a bootable USB drive which allows you to boot multiple installer ISOs from a single USB drive. For this you require a Windows operating system and an 8GB or more USB flash drive. The first step you want to make is open your favorite browser and open the GitHub link that I include in the description. Download the Windows zip file. Once it has downloaded, open it and extract it using your favorite extraction software. Then open it and run the Ventoy 2 disk executable. When you try to run it, it will ask you for administrator permission and you need to allow it to open. Then insert your USB drive into your computer. Wait until the computer recognizes it and refresh the app. Once the app sees the USB disk, press install. The drive will be formatted, so make sure you have no important files on the drive. Press yes, and wait for the app to install the bootable software onto the disk. It has been installed, and once it has been installed, you can close the app, and you will have a new drive called Ventoy. Here, you need to place your ISO files from any installer, such as Windows, Ubuntu, or any other operating system installer. Once you place them here, you can proceed as with any other bootable USB. I hope this has helped, and have a great day.